Welcome! If you've ever wanted to let everyone comment on your Facebook page's cover photo, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow comments from everyone on your page cover photo using Facebook's latest update, all from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This will take you to your main profile page. Next, you'll want to access your Facebook page. On your profile, find and click on your page from the list on the left or under the Pages section. Once you're on your page, direct your attention to the cover photo at the top. Hover over your cover photo and give it a click. This will open up the cover photo in a larger view. Now, look just below the photo for the three dots. These are your options for the post. Click on these three dots to open a small menu. From the menu, find and select the option that says Who can comment on your post? A new window will pop up with different audience settings. Here's the important part. Choose Public. This setting allows anyone, whether they follow your page or not, to leave a comment on your cover photo. Once you've selected Public, make sure to click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Now, everyone can join the conversation and share their thoughts right on your page's cover photo. This new update makes it easier than ever to connect with your audience and encourage more engagement. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.